Theatre is a great and fun way to learn English language. It gives people a genuine experience of using language in a given context. However, producing a drama is a bit of a hard work. But when you have the script, the half of the work is done. Today, I am going to discuss some practical theatre basis on how to produce a junior level drama. First, we need to figure out the basic structure of a drama. We call it a plot and its development. The story should have a start, a development, and an end. Most drama starts with an elevated incident and it develops until it comes to the highest point. That may be the most important incident in the drama, which may create a twist in the play. The story may end giving solution for that twist of the story. Usually, in a junior level drama, we find a roller coaster path like storyline development. Usually, the start of the play should be clearly noted. The audience should know that the drama has started. For that, the start should be marked with an elevated action, music, or movement. Once you grab the attention of the audience, it's time to unveil the story on the stage. We usually see narrator narrates the background of story about the characters and things to happen on the stage. In the story, you will find the narrator introduces a character and the character is kept elevated in the introduction and the position, as well as we see the use of intensified music which may grab the attention of the audience. Basically, a drama is called a conflict. These conflicts can create dramatic situations. It develops the story to the highest point, which we call the climax. Small incidents which intensify the flow of the drama create interest, suspense, and keep the audience involved in the drama. In this play we have selected, we see how the dramatic situations create tense and involve the audience to see what is going to happen next. Increasing the pace and the music as well as the actions can create such dramatic situations. Humor is a great tool I always utilize to change the flow of the drama. Breaking the flow of the drama can break the boredom and refresh the audience. We can use some flashbacks or an entertaining act like dancing, as well as some stunt scenes that may go with the storyline. The storyline in the drama should have a decisive point which may decide the direction of the story. It is the highest point of the conflict. We call this as the climax, the apex. The audience should be able to see how the conflict developed up to the peak point. The climax should be clearly shown using an appropriate dramatic technique. We normally see the freezing to illustrate a photographic pose to let the audience picture that incident in the mind. The elevated actions and the music can be utilized to intensify the moment. If the climax is not clearly planned, the audience will have to strain through the drama, which would be a disadvantage. The story should have a proper ending. It should resolve the conflict in the story. If it is a detective play, the problem can be solved and the culprit can be brought to punishment. Naturally, junior type dramas end with a positive result. The tragic ends are often seen in senior level dramas. In this play, we see an adaptation of ending to create a positive resolution to the drama. as the opening, the ending too should be marked clearly, as it creates the final impact. The director can use a creative ending according to the drama. The characters can appear and bow to the audience as the final curtain falls. Here too, the director can use his creativity using various shapes and demonstrations to please the audience. Remember, the result of a good drama is always reflected on the response of the audience.